Hey, and welcome to this new video of mastering Git and GitHub. So now in real life in firm and company we will have like a big project with the team. Not like that we just update here in the readme file or index.html just to learn how to use the command and to be familiar with. But for example, if we have like a big project, we need to be like a whole team working on the project, or a lot of contributors working in project. So in this video we will see and learn how to add other contributor or other developer to help us in our project. So for here in this repository we have just one contributor, which is the owner or us. And to add more contributors, let's go to setting, and then after setting go to contributors. Here they will tell us to confirm our password because we are in setting, and here we will add the username of the other contributors. So basically we will here type or write our username of our friend that is also a developer, or other of our team. If we are a team working in the same project, here we will add their username, and after that I will click on add contributor here. So here it will always help us search. If for example if we don't remember their username, but we're it starts with J, for example, let's click Java, and here it will show us all those in GitHub with same username. So for example just click for example on this one, and we will add it as a collaborator to help us in our project. And after adding the collaborator, GitHub will send him an email in his Gmail, and he tell him that you invite him to be a collaborator with his project, and the name of the project of your repository. After that he can click first in the email, and then he will find a button view detail or view invitation. He will click on that, and after that he can choose either to accept working with you or to not. If he want to accept, he will click on accept invitation, and after that you will become two collaborators or two developer in the same project or in the same repository. So this is all for this video. See you.